Shraddha, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all few Rakhi outfits. Rakhi is around the corner and we all have been staying at our homes for the longest time, and some of us haven't really got any time, or we can't risk to go out and shop, and hence I've put forward few of my outfits which you can style at your home with, of course you will not have the same dresses but that I do, but I can give you few inspos. So here are few of my Rakhi outfits. There's something for literally every single person out there. If you want it to be super simple, it's there. If you want to be like added thing to simpleness, it's there. If you want to be a little heavy and go out, it's there. There's something for literally everyone, and I try to show this video a little different. So yeah guys, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I really wish you happy Raksha Bandhan in advance, and I really want you guys to stay home and stay safe, and please do not go out for shopping or anything. You can style the outfits which are at your home and create different ways to do it, style different things up and down, and you'll be good to go. Don't risk anything for anything. So yeah guys, without any further ado, let's get into the video.
So guys, coming to the first outfit, I really wanted it to be super elegant, so I paired this super huge flared lehenga with this really cute flower detail blouse, and with that I paired this super amazing dupatta, and I wanted some really nice traditional jewelry, so I paired that with the matching earrings, and I really loved the way this look turned out. Super elegant, super out there, not very out there, at the same time super simple and elegant. Love the way it turned out. Coming to the next outfit, you guys know how much I love monochromes, and black is my most favorite. So I paired this black palazzo pant with a matching long kurta, and with that I paired this super cute choker which has this mini detailing going on and matching jhumkas. As you can see, I know most of you guys don't really prefer black on that day, but I am absolutely okay with it. So yeah, if you don't really like black, the next outfit is for you. So guys, this outfit is for those people who prefer really simple at the same time really good looking look. So I paired this plain white palazzo with white kurta and with a really cute amazing looking dupatta. It is actually a Banaras dupatta, and I didn't really want to add on a lot of jewelry, but I really wanted to add that one statement piece because the dupatta itself is so perfectly elegant, and I just paired a really cute statement earrings and just a ring with it to make the look amazing. So guys, this outfit is for those who really want to go out there but not a lot. So I paired this super cute Banaras blouse with this really cute lehenga, and I really wanted to add just one jewelry piece where all the attention goes on. So I really love the way this total look turned out, and it's super cute, super elegant at the same time a little outgoing. So guys, I wanted this outfit to be a little more outgoing, and keeping the lehenga and the blouse really simple, I really wanted to add in a lot of jewelry. And here we have two pairs of jewelry. I added a really nice choker with a really nice set underneath. I really love the way this look turned out. Super cute and worth a try.
So that is all for today's video guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel because that would mean the absolute world to me. And do let me know down in the comment section below which was your favorite outfit. I would be happy to know that. And guys, please do not risk anything. If you it is okay if you just sit at home, tie Rakhi to your own sibling, or it is completely okay to send your blessings or receive blessings online, because it's really not safe outside. So do not go there. You can just dress for your own self, click few pictures, stay happy, and just be with your family members at home. So yeah guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.